So very good morning to all of you. You are very few today, but good to see you because your examination may start soon and you will get the preparation period. So today's lecture you will continue for next session very soon. Okay. My voice is clear to you, na? My voice is clear. Hello. My voice is clear. हेलो। मेरी आवाज आ
मेरी
रही है
आवाज
क्या?
आ रही है क्या?
ओके।
ओके।
Presenting. Good morning to all of you. Today we will start your unit number
यूनिट नंबर
4.
4।
In previous unit we have seen the
प्रीवियस यूनिट वी हैव
testing
सीन द
of the
टेस्टिंग ऑफ द
concrete,
concrete,
destructive and
destructive and
non-destructive test both
non-destructive
we have
tests both
seen.
we have seen.
Now today we will
Now
start
today we will
the
start the
lecture on your
lecture on your
mixed design
mixed design
of your
of
concrete.
your concrete.
So this is lecture number
Lecture
27
number
for
27
concrete
for Progress
technology,
Technology,
and
and
we'll see the
you will see the
mixed design
mixed design
for the
for the
concrete.
concrete.
So we'll
So
see the
we'll see the
introduction,
introduction
objective.
objective.
There are different
There are
methods
different
of mixed
methods of mixed
design
design,
and
and
what we need
what we need is
experimental testing and the
testing
Gantt chart,
and chart,
etc.
etc.
So first
So
we will
first we will
come
come
to the
to the
introductory part.
introductory
I will
part.
say
I
you
will say you
for
for
the
the
mixed
mixed
proportioning of the
proportioning of the
concrete.
concrete.
So you
So you
need
need
uh,
uh,
IS code,
IS code,
that is
that is
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 10262
10262
2009
2009
is visible on
visible on
your
your
screen,
screen.
and that is nothing
That
but
is nothing
concrete
but
mixed
concrete mix
proportioning
proportioning
guideline,
guideline,
which is
which is
given by
given
the
by the
Bureau of
Bureau
Indian
of
Standard.
Indian Standard.
And this code
And
is
this code is
must
must
when we are
when we are
designing
designing
the
the
mix
mix
for the
for the
IS
IS
method.
method.
IS method
IS
of mixed
method of
design.
mix
So
design.
there are
So there are
different methods
different
of
methods
this
of this
mixed
mixed
design
design
based on the
based on the
country
country
code you are
code you are
using.
using.
So you are
So you
go
are
for
go
that.
for that.
है ना?
है ना?
So
So
here
here
in our
in our
India,
India,
Indian
Indian
code,
code,
if we are
we are
using
using
or
or
mixed
mixed
proportioning of
proportioning
the
of the
concrete,
concrete.
we
We
need
need
IS
IS
10262
10262
2009
2009
and
and
IS
IS
456
456
uh,
uh,
2000,
2000.
and
And
this new IS
new
code is
IS code is
also
also
going to be
going to be
draft
draft
IS
IS
456.
456.
Soon it will
Soon
be
it will be
released.
released.
Okay,
Okay.
so you
So you
should
should
uh,
uh,
these
these
codes you
codes
have to
you have to
use
use
for your
for your
okay.
okay.
Now
Now
we will
we
come
will
to
come
the
to the
why this
why this
we are
we
going
are
for the mixed
going for the mixed
proportioning of the
proportion
concrete,
of the concrete.
because you know
Because
that
you know
the
that the
concrete
concrete
is produced
is produced
production
production
and its
and its
nature
nature
after the
after the
production
production
is very
is very
complex nature,
complex
because
because
many
many
ingredients are
ingredients are
needed to
needed to
mix a
mix a
concrete or
concrete or
uh, to, to make
to
or
make or
produce a
produce a
concrete,
concrete,
and
and
their
their
characteristics
characteristics
are also affecting the properties of concrete in the fresh and hardened state. So concrete is basic engineering material used in most civil engineering structure, and it is common, and its production is, or its use is, you cannot believe that it is next to the water. Its use is in manufacturing industry for building is next to the water. So this we will see that why we are going for the mixed proportioning, or what are the advantages of this mixed design. The basic aim or aim to achieve is good quality concrete at site economically, है ना? यानी अच्छा क्वालिटी कंक्रीट भी हमको चाहिए और साथ में इकोनॉमी भी चाहिए, यानी वो सस्ता भी होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी चीप फॉर यूज एट द साइट, एंड so that what we have to do, we have to first the quality control board, that is better strength अगर है तो हम बोलेंगे कंक्रीट अच्छा है, बेटर इम्परवियसनेस और ड्यूरेबिलिटी है, डेंस है, इमेजिनियस अगर कंक्रीट है तो वी विल से दैट कंक्रीट इज गुड इन क्वालिटी. इसी तरह इट इज पॉसिबल टू से अप टू 15% ऑफ सिविल फॉर M20 ग्रेड ऑफ कंक्रीट विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंक्रीट मिक्स डिजाइन. अगर मिक्स डिजाइन नहीं करते हैं तो वी कैन misuse the material, and that will lead to uneconomical use of the construction material. Other properties mixed design can help us to achieve form finishes, early strain gain for desettering. Concrete is better flexural strength if you are using the fibers or improvement or using by the admixtures. Concrete with compatibility and concrete with lower densities we can get as when we design a mixer. What is mixed design? Concrete is an extremely versatile building material because it can be designed for strength ranging from M10 to M100 and many projects beyond that were M150 also, and vocabulary ranging from 0 to 150 mm slump. In all these cases, the basic ingredients of concrete are the same, but it is their relative proportioning that makes the difference. बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट है सेम, लेकिन उनका कंटेंट कितना वाटर, कितना सिविल, कितना सैंड, कितना एग्रीगेट चाहिए और कितना एडमिक्सचर हमको उसमें यूज करना है, तो उससे उसके पूरे प्रॉपर्टीज भी चेंजिंग आ जाती हैं. तो दैट इज नथिंग बट द मिक्स डिजाइन. तो मिक्स डिजाइन मेक्स अस टू डिसाइड द कंक्रीट ऑफ ग्रेड आल्सो, है ना? तो दिस इज द व्हाई वी आर गोइंग फॉर द mixed design. And what is the desired properties we need from the concrete? In fresh state, definitely we need the workability should be good, and also the concrete will be cohesiveness, and we are setting, it's a setting time or retarding is setting time. If there is travel time is more or finishing time is more. Also, the strength after the hardening should be good. It will be impervious, it should not be pervious, because if it leads to transport the water or in ingress of any harmful material, it leads to the anomalies in the concrete. And durability, it's a long-term effect because we are building the structure, infrastructure, or any building for around 50 to 100 years of lifespan, so that it should be durable during its lifespan. For those that the concrete mix design is to be very important. Okay. So this already what is design is nothing but the proper proportion for certain grade of concrete if you are choosing or selecting, that is called as the mixed design. The requirement of concrete mixed design: The requirement
requirement
of concrete mix
of
design will
concrete
be
design will be
the minimum
the minimum
compressive strength
compressive
required
strength
from the
required from
structural
the structural
conservation,
conservation,
the adequate work
the
cavity
adequate work
necessary for
cavity necessary for
compaction with the
compaction with the
compacting equipment
compacting equipment
available,
available,
maximum water to
maximum
cement
water to
ratio,
cement
maximum
ratio,
cement
maximum cement
content
content
to give
to give
adequate
adequate
durability of the
durability of
particle
the
site
particle site
condition.
condition.
So it all
All
the
the
requirements of
requirements of
concrete mix
concrete mix
design and
design and
maximum cement
maximum cement
content,
content,
avoiding
avoiding
shrinkage
shrinkage
due to
due to
temperature,
temperature,
cycle and
cycle
mass
and mass
operating.
concrete.
This already you have
This
seen the
already you
types
have
of
seen the
nominal
types of
mixes.
nominal
Not doing
mixes.
the
We are
mix
not doing the
design
mix design,
and
and
by the ratio
by the
1
ratio
to
1
4,
to 4,
148,
148,
136
136,
है ना, एक दो
एक
तीन,
डेढ़ तीन.
all these
All
ratios
these
if
ratios,
you are
if
using,
you are using,
then that is
then that
called
is
as the
called as the
nominal
nominal
mixes. Then standard mixes,
standard mixer.
the nominal
The
mixes
nominal
or fixed
mixes or
cement
fixed
aggregate
cement
ratio
aggregate ratio
by
by
volume
volume
vary widely
vary
in
widely
strength
in
and
strength
many
and
result.
many results.
So in that
In
case,
that case,
so IS
IS
456
456
2000 has
2000 has
designed the
designed
concrete
the
mixes
concrete
into
mixers
a
into
number
a
of
number
grades
of grades,
M10 to
M10 to
M20
M20
to
to
M40.
M40.
So
So
M20 and
M20 and
above they are
above, they are
coming into
coming
the
into the
standard
standard
mixes,
mixers,
and the
and the
nominal
nominal
mixes you
mixers
can
you can
see
see
they are
they are
the
the
mixers are
mixers
as
are
per
as per
the
the
volume and
volume and
their approximate mix
approximate
proportion
mix proportion है
136
1136
124
124
एक देर तीन
एक
and
डेढ़ तीन
एक
and
एक दो
एक एक
for
दो
different grade
for
of the
different grade of the
mixes of
mixes
the standard
of
mix is design mix. Design mix, if you say,
you say
is
is
nothing but
nothing but
to
to
in these mixes the
in these mixes
performance
the
of concrete
performance of
is
concrete is
specified
specified
by
by
designer,
designer,
but these
but
mix
the mix
proportionals are
proportionals are
determined by
determined by
producers of
producers of
concrete,
concrete,
except the
except
minimum
the
cement
minimum cement
content can be
content
laid
can
down.
be laid down.
So in design
In
mix
design
we
mix,
have
we
the
have the
desired
desired
uh,
uh,
strength
strength,
and the
and the
final
final
strength, how
strength,
much
how
strength
much
we have to
strength we
gain,
have
that
to
is
gain,
set,
that is set,
and based
and
on
based on
that
that
many
many
factors
factors
we are
we are
doing the mix
doing the
proportion
mix proportion
of the concrete.
of the concrete.
Okay, so they come into the
Okay, so they will come
design
into the
design mix
design
concrete.
design mix concrete.
So in design mix
In
concrete,
design mix concrete,
we are not
we are not
taking the concrete
taking the
abruptly,
concrete
sorry,
abruptly,
concrete
sorry,
ingredients
concrete
abruptly.
ingredients abruptly.
We are
We are
finding out how
finding
much
out how much
by weight
by
they are
weight they
required
are required
to mix or
to mix or
to get
to
certain
get
grade of
certain
concrete.
grade of concrete.
So for that
For that,
we have to
we have to
see the
see
different
the
codes.
different
Is
codes.
our 10
Our
IS
10,
code 10
IS
to
code 10 to
6 to
6 to
2009.
2009.
It gives the
It gives the
procedure
procedure
of the mix
of the
design.
mix design.
है ना? This one,
This one,
the code. Then
then
one by one you
one by
can see
one you can
here
see here
the different
the different
codes. They are
codes.
referred
They are
IS
referred IS
383, IS
383, IS
456,
456,
IS
IS
2381 part
2381
3
part 3
1963,
1963,
IS
IS
3812 part
3812
1
part 1,
specification for
specification
the
for the
fuel ash
fuel ash
if you are
we
using
are
for
using
mixed
for mix
proportioning,
proportioning,
and then
then
8112
8112
1989
1989
for
for
43
43
grade
grade
ported
coated
cement if you are
cement if you are
using,
using,
and
and
9103
9103
1999
1999
specification for
specification for
admixture for
admixture for
concrete.
concrete.
So all
So
these
all these
codes
codes
also we
also we
need with
need with
10 to
10 to
62
62
for
for
designing of
designing
the
of
mix
the
or
mix
mixed
or
proportioning of your
your
concrete.
concrete.
Then data
Then
for
data
mixed
for mix
proportioning. What
proportioning.
data
What
we
data we
require?
require?
The following
The
data
following
are
data
required for
required
mixed
for mix
proportioning
proportioning
a
a
particular
particular
grade of
grade
your
of your
concrete.
concrete.
क्या चाहिए
क्या
सबसे
चाहिए
पहले?
सबसे पहले?
ग्रेड
ग्रेड
डिजिग्रेशन.
डिजिग्रेशन.
कौन सा
कौन सा
कंक्रीट हम बना
कंक्रीट
रहे
हम
हैं?
बना रहे हैं?
M20 है,
M20 है,
M10 है,
M10 है,
Yeah, M25.
Five.
Now,
Now
the
the
least
least
grade for
grade for
RCC work
RCC work
as per
as
IS
per IS
456
456
2000 is
2000 is
M20 grade.
120 grade.
Below that you
Below that you
cannot use
cannot
for
use
the
for the
RCC work.
RCC work.
For
For
grinding work,
grinding work,
for
for
PCC work,
PCC
plain
work,
cement
plain cement
concreting, you
concreting,
can
you
go
can go
for
for
less than
less than
M20
M20
concrete.
concrete.
Then you
Then
need
you
type
need
of
type
cement
of
you are
cement you are
using
using
because it is
because it is
affecting the
affecting the
properties of
properties
your
of your
concrete, and
concrete, and
strength of
strength of
concrete is
concrete is
also
also
depend on
depend
the
on the
uh,
uh,
type of
type of
cement.
cement.
Ujjwala
Ujjwala
Deshmankar,
Deshmankar,
what is the
what is the
time now?
time now?
You are
You're
always
always
joining
joining
on
on
time.
time.
Today you are
Today you
late.
are late.
Then
The
maximum
maximum
nominal
nominal
size of
size of
aggregate
aggregate
is
is
also
also
very
very
important.
important. In
NMSA जो
NSA
हम
जो हम
बोलते हैं,
बोलते हैं,
nominal
nominal
maximum
maximum
size of
size of
aggregate,
aggregate
अगर 20
20
mm
mm
aggregate है,
aggregate
it should
should
pass
pass
through the
through the
ISU
ISU
number
number
2 or
2
any
or any
20
20
mm
mm
ISU.
ISU.
Then that
And that
concrete is
concrete is
called
called
as
as
the
the
NMSA
NMSA
of
of
20 mm
20 mm
aggregate.
aggregate.
Then the
Then the
minimum
minimum
cement
cement
content,
content
it is
is
given
given
in the
in the
IS
IS
code.
code.
So if you
So
are
if you are
referring your
referring your
this
this
IS code,
IS code
IS
IS
456,
456,
there is
there is
many
many
sections are
sections
there. You
are
can
there.
see
You can see
around five
around five
sections are
sections
there.
are there.
Content
Content
section 1 is
section is
general
general
criteria.
criteria.
Section 2 is
Section 2 is
material
material
workmanship.
workmanship.
So if you
So if
come in
you come in
section number
section number
2,
2,
the
the
material,
material,
in that
in that
you
you
get
get
about the
about the
types of
types of
cement,
cement,
types of
types of
mineral
mineral
admixture to be
admixture to
used,
be used,
and
and
aggregates
aggregates
should be
should be
from the
from the
IS 4
IS 4
IS
IS
383
383
1970,
1970,
and now latest
and now
code
latest
also
code
come
also come
IS
IS
383 in
383 in
2015
2015
that can be
that
used.
can be used.
Then you can see
You
the
can
size
see
of
the size of
aggregate you have to
aggregate you
use
have to use
is also
is also
available,
available,
and
and
also which
also
type
which
of
type of
water you
water
need,
you need,
and their
and their
properties are
properties
also
are also
described
described
in IS
in IS
456
456
2007.
2000.
Also the
Also, the
permissible
permissible
limits of
limits of
your
your
ingredients,
ingredients,
sorry, in the
sorry, in the
water,
water,
and the
and the
solids are
solids are
permissible.
permissible.
This is also
It's
given
also
in your,
given in
and
your
in admixtures
admixtures
and their
and their
relative
relative
proportion.
proportion.
Then concrete grade,
Concrete grade,
properties of
properties of
concrete. You
concrete.
can
You
see
can
here
see here
in this table
in this
number
table number
2 of your
of
IS
your
code.
IS code.
It is visible to you, I
What
think
do you
so.
think so?
है ना? You can see
You can
here
see
table
here
two
table
grades
two
of
grades of
concrete.
concrete.
So
The
ordinary
ordinary
concrete will
concrete
come
will
from
come from
M10 to
M10 to
M20,
M20,
and
and
they are
they are
using
using
generally for
generally
the
for the
blending work,
blending work,
and they are
and they
called
are
as
called as
ordinary
ordinary
concrete,
concrete.
जिसको हम लोग वॉल्यूम मिक्सिंग
वॉल्यूम
में हम लोग
मिक्सिंग में हम लोग
इस्तेमाल कर
इस्तेमाल
सकते
कर
हैं,
सकते हैं,
जैसे कि
जैसे कि
फॉर M10 के
M10
लिए
के लिए
वो
वो
एक एक तीन
एक तीन
छः,
छः,
M15 के लिए
15 के लिए
एक दो
एक दो
चार,
चार,
M20 के
M20
लिए
के लिए
एक डेढ़
एक
तीन,
डेढ़ तीन,
और
और
M25 के
M25
लिए
के लिए
एक एक
एक
दो.
एक दो.
So these are
So
the
these are
mixed
the mixed
proportioning,
proportioning,
and that is
and
called
that is
as
called as
nominal.
nominal.
Standard
Standard
concrete, their
concrete, their
range is
range is
about
about
uh, M25 to
M25 to
M55.
M55.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
this range
this
is
range is
given
given
in the
in
IS
the IS
code,
code,
and
and
then
then
high strength
high strength
concrete
concrete
from.
from
So this
this
requirements are
requirements
also
are
there.
also there.
So we are
So we
where
are
we
where
need
we need
the
the
minimum
minimum
cement
cement
content.
content.
This is
This is
also
also
given
given
in your
in your
IS
IS
code.
code.
You will search the minimum cement content. If you will get minimum, yeah. Table
Table
4
4
gives
gives
recommendation for the
recommendation for
type
the
of
type of
cement,
cement,
maximum free
free
water to
water
cement
to cement
ratio,
ratio,
and
and
minimum
minimum
cement
cement
content
content
which are
which are
required at
required at
different
different
sulfate
sulfate
concentration
concentration
in near
near
neutral
neutral
groundwater
groundwater
having
having
pH of
pH of
6 to
6 to
9.
9.
So
So
below
below
6
6
and
and
above
above
9 the
9 the
water is
water is
not
not
suitable. You
suitable.
can
You
see
can see.
table number
Table
4
number
mein
4 में
it is
it is
given
given
the
the
minimum cement
minimum cement
requirement.
requirement.
So you can
So
see
you
in
can
the
see
table
in the
number
table number
requirement of
requirement of
concrete
concrete
exposed to
exposed to
sulfate.
sulfate attack.
So
So
this
this
requirement, the
requirement, the
minimum
minimum
cement
cement
content, you
content
can
you
see
can
this
see this
this column
column
number
number
7.
7.
is
is
280
280
for water
for water
cement ratio
cement
of
ratio
zero
of
point
zero point
0.5,
0.5,
water
water
cement ratio
cement
of
ratio of
0.5, 330 for
0.5330 for
ordinary
ordinary
Portland
Portland
cement.
cement.
Pozzolana
Pozzolana
cement if you are
cement if you are
using 3
using
110
110
for
for
water to
water to
cement
cement
ratio of
ratio
zero
of
point
zero point
0.5,
0.5.
and
And
so
so
on. The
on, the
minimum
minimum
cement
cement
contents
contents
are
are
given in
given in
table
table
number
number
4 of
4 of
your
your
IS
IS
6
4
है ना.
IS.
यहाँ पर हम
यहाँ पर हम लोग
so we can say that is called as minimum. We are here
here
in IS 10 to 62.
IS 10 to 62.
So here you can see
So here you can see
the maximum
the maximum
minimum cement content we have
minimum
seen
cement content we have
in
seen
table number
in table number
4 of
4
your
of your
IS 456.
IS 456.
So on table number 4 of IS 456 we will get the minimum
456 will get the
cement
minimum
content.
cement content.
Then the maximum water cement ratio,
Then the maximum water cement ratio,
also from the same table
also
you
from
can
the
get,
same table you can get,
and vocabulary, desired
the
vocabulary
vocabulary,
for your
desired
mix.
vocabulary for your mix.
These we need
This
these,
we need this
and then exposure
and then
condition
exposure condition
as per the
as
table
per
number
the
4
table
and table
number 4
number 5
and
of
table number 5 of
IS 456.
456.
Then maximum
Then maximum
temperature of concrete
temperature
at
of
the time of
concrete at the
placing.
time of placing.
कंक्रीटिंग हमको कहाँ करना है,
Concreting हमको
किस
कहाँ
जगह पर
करना
करना
है,
है,
किस जगह पर करना है,
तो दैट
so that
area temperature
area temperature
at the time of
at the
concrete
time
is
of
also
concrete
needed.
is also needed.
Then method
And
of
method
transporting
of
and placing of
transporting
your
and
concrete.
placing of your
You are
concrete.
doing the ready mix
You are doing the
concrete,
ready mix concrete,
preparing some other
preparing
place
some
and
other
transporting
place
to
and
the site,
transporting to the site,
or you are
or you are
casting or
casting
preparing
or
concrete on
preparing a
site and
concrete on
casting
site
there
and
only.
casting there only.
All these are
All
the
these
methods
are
of
the methods of
transportation and placing.
transportation and placing.
Then early age strength
Early age strength
requirement,
requirement,
if anything
if anything
required,
required,
it will require for
will
special
require for
conditions.
special condition.
And if you have to
If you
uh,
have to
then
then
type of
type of
aggregate
aggregate
also affect
also
your
affect your
properties of your
properties of
concrete.
your concrete.
Then the
Then the
maximum cement
maximum cement
content
content
is also limited.
also limited.
So generally
Generally,
we are
we are
this
this
values we are
value
taking
we are
from the
taking
IS
from the
code.
IS
IS
code.
code is
IS code is
also already
already
given
given
all these
all
values.
these values.
Whether an
Whether an
admixtures
admixtures
shall be or
shall
shall
be or
not
shall
be
not
used,
be used,
and the
and
type
the
of
type of
admixture
mixture
and their
and their
condition for
condition
use,
for use.
all these
All
are
these are
the
the
data
data
required
required
for
for
the mixed
the mixed
proportioning
proportioning
of the your
of your
concrete.
concrete.
So these are
These
the
are the
data
data
required for the
required for
mixed
the mixed
proportioning of
proportioning of
your
your
concrete,
concrete.
and then
Then
we will
we
see
will see
in detail.
in detail.
Okay,
Okay,
the step
the
by
step by
step
step
procedure
procedure
to
to
how the
how
mixed
the mixed
proportioning is
proportioning is
done.
done.
Okay. Also,
Also,
the
the
handbook on
handbook on
concrete mix
concrete mix
design,
design,
that is
that is
handbook
handbook
on
on
concrete mix
concrete mix
design, that
design,
is
that is
SP
SP
23.
23.
So you
So
can
you can
also,
also,
this
this
handbook is
handbook is
very
very
useful.
useful.
SP 23 1982 is published in 1982. You can see here. Uh, and the price is 350 earlier. So in
In
this
this
also
also
the
the
details
details
are
are
given,
given,
yani almost
almost
how
how
to
to
find out
find
the
out the
properties of
properties
your
of your
ingredients of
ingredients of
your
your
concrete,
concrete,
They are made of different sections: general requirement, aggregates, water, and the admixtures. All these things are given in this, and you can use this for your uh, reference. Okay, so accelerating admixtures, retarding admixture, water retarding, all these material details are given in SP23. So this is also useful for your mixed proportion of your concrete. Also IS 383 1970 for the selection of or the type of sand and coarse aggregate you are using, their quality, and uh, which type of aggregate you are using, their size, all these are given in your IS uh, 383 1970. The aggregate different properties you can: single size aggregate, graded aggregate, fine aggregate, also the soundness of aggregate, aggregate adhesion value, aggregate impact value, aggregate crushing value. All these are yani needed for your mix design, because all these properties of aggregates also affect your strength and resistant properties of your concrete. So this IS 10 to 62 2009 is the main or important code for mixed proportioning of your uh, concrete mix design as per Indian Standard Code. And there are also different methods of mixed design of the concrete. The ACI method, that is American Concrete Institute method, and also DOE, Department of Environment method by UK, and in also in India IIRC code also, there also there are different method of the mixed design. Similarly, in every country there are more codes they are following as per the climatic conditions, as per the materials locally available, because our purpose is of mixed design is to get good quality control with minimum or economical cost. So when we are using the local material, then we can able to get the cheap or economical cost. So in every area, the properties of ingredients are changing drastically. So that will affect the properties of your concrete. So this in section 3.2 of your IS 10 to 6 is used that target strength or mixed proportioning. तो हमको M20 FCK is the target mean compressive strength at 28 days in Newton per mm². तो अगर M20 ग्रेड का कंक्रीट हमको चाहिए 28 डेज में, तो उसकी टारगेट स्ट्रेंथ क्या रहेगी? दैट इज गिवन हियर, दैट इज F dash CK is equal to FCK plus 1.6 times of S, where FCK is the characteristic compressive strain at 28 days in Newton per mm². Because in concrete, the 28 days curing strain generally we are considering as a characteristic strain of your concrete compressive strain. What is the characteristic strength? That the strength of concrete not fall or deviate 5% in its whole life. So that is the characteristics of the compressive strength. And generally the strength of concrete at 28 days is considered as a characteristic strength of concrete. So F dash CK, the target mean compressive strength, is equal to FCK, that is the characteristic strength, plus 1.65 into S, where S is the standard deviation in Newton per mm². So likewise, this can be find out, and what is standard deviation? The standard deviation for each grade of concrete shall be calculated separately. So how you can calculate the standard deviation? Based on the test strength of sample, number of test results of samples. The total number of test strength of samples required to constitute an acceptable record for calculation of standard deviation shall not be less than 30. तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन अगर हमको मालूम करना है एक ग्रेड ऑफ कंक्रीट का, तो हमको कितने सैंपल पास करना पड़ेगा? At least we have to pass 30 samples and you have to test them, and based on that you can devise or advise the standard deviation for that grade of concrete. So in 3.2.1 clause, the assumed standard deviation is given in table number, you can see table number 1 of IS 10262. The standard deviation for the grade of concrete M20, M10 and M15 is 3.5, and M20 and 25 it is 4. Based on the grade of concrete is given by IS 10262, and for grade M30 to M55 is the 5, the standard deviation. So this is assumed standard deviation to start any example, because we need the standard deviation to calculate, but for earlier start we are doing some assumption, and that assumed standard deviation can be taken into account and the calculation can be done further. Then selection of mixed proportioning, you can say the selection of water to cement ratio, because water to cement ratio plays very important role, and it is generally criteria considered earlier that it is directly proportional to the inversely proportional, directly proportional to the your strength of concrete. But the water to cement ratio, if it is large, then the strength will be less. So it is inversely proportional to the yani strength of your concrete. And Duff-Abraham law we have seen during the strength of concrete, the water to cement ratio is inversely proportional to the strength of your concrete. So as the strength of concrete we need a higher strength, then we need the reduction in the water to cement ratio of your concrete. So that reduction, but sometimes leads to the very rough concrete and harsh concrete. To avoid that, you have to use the chemical admixtures to improve the workability and performance of concrete. So you can reduce the water to cement ratio by using the chemical admixtures. Then the selection of water content, it is based on water content influenced by the number of factors such as aggregate size. डेफिनेटली हमने पहले भी देखा कि जितना एग्रीगेट का साइज आपका ज़्यादा रहेगा उतना ज़्यादा यानी एग्रीगेट का साइज ज़्यादा रहेगा तो उतना कम पानी लगेगा क्योंकि सरफेस एरिया विल बी रिड्यूस. But if you are using you can see the size, how the effect of size will be if you have this aggregate size, for example, and in place of that, if I'll make the smaller particle than this aggregate, okay, so you can say that as I am going for a smaller particle, what happens? The surface area I am increasing. Okay, and surface area increasing means the water demand is also increasing. Okay, so that is the size of any aggregate will affect the water demand or selection of water. Also, as per the workability, we need more water. Also, aggregate shape. Also effect if is aggregate texture means if a rough aggregate is there, then surface area is large and water is required will be more. And if a smooth surface is there, then surface area will be less and will need less water. Similarly, shape of aggregate irregular, regular, they are also affecting the workability of concrete, and the factor dash nothing but influences surface area of your aggregate. Then also water cement ratio, cement and other supplementary cementitious material type and content. Supplementary cementitious material means the admixture usually. So admixture, if it is a mineral admixture or the chemical admixture, they are coming under the supplementary cementitious materials. Okay. Then the quality of maximum mixing water per unit volume of concrete may be determined from table number 2. तो ये सब प्रॉपर्टीज के हिसाब से और स्लम हमको कितना लगने वाला है उसके हिसाब से हाउ मच your work यानी quantity of water required is given, or you can select from table number 2 of your IS 10 to 6 to 2009. So generally, while you are going for the mixed proportioning of your concreting, the proper selection of ingredients of concrete, so that it will help us for the better and good quality product or end product. So for that, today we have seen the objective of the mixed proportioning, aims and objective, where we are going for mixed design, and types of mixes, that is nominal mix, standard mix and mixed design. And then we have seen the different codes required for the mixed proportioning of the concrete, that is IS 456 2000, IS 10 to 6 to 2009, and IS 383 for aggregate, and 9103 for the admixture, and for the fly IS 3812. All these IS codes are required for the mixed proportioning of your concrete or mixed design of your concrete. Also SP 23 is the complete guide handbook for the mixed proportioning of your concrete. So today we will stop here. If any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me. Otherwise, we will stop here, and then we will continue the lectures after your examination.